Hi everybody, today we'll just be going through how to create a frame in Python and its very basics. So first of all, I have a Tkinter frame or a workspace open here, and here is the code for the whole project. First of all, I'll import everything from the Tkinter library and initiate the root using the tk object. Then I'll set the size of the root through the root geometry method. So you can change it. I can make it something like 700 by, let's say, I'm not sure. Let's make it 500. And so that would be the geometry. For now, I'll just revert it back to what it previously was. Now we have to create a frame. So F1 will be a variable that contains the frame. So frame keyword, root, the size of the whole thing, and then the background color, which would be gray. Then we'd ask it to pack or initiate it, and then the side left, meaning the left side would be where our text appears if there is any, and pad Y, the Y padding on both sides. Then is the label or would be text, which I have declared with the L variable, and then we can start by using the keyword label. Then we can use this frame to tell where the label lies, and then we can give it the text. And lastly, all we have to do is pack, and then we have to run the root main loop, which will create a variable. Now let's look at how this works. So as you can see, we get a very basic Pythonese here with a gray background in a frame. So
Hi guys, so we'll start with some advanced feature in Tkinter how to put two frames. We'll start with from Tkinter import root equals to tk. We'll take the size 655 into 333. Remember to put x for multiplication. F1 represents frame 1 under root. Background color will take gray. Border width will be 8 and relief will be sunken. We'll pack F1 on left side along y-axis. F2 represents frame 2. Under root, background color will take blue this time. Border width will be 4 and relief will be sunken. We'll pack F2 along the x-axis on the top. We'll put L that is label 1. F1 under F1 that is frame 1. Text will write Tkinter frames and font will use Arial 20 bold. 20 is the size here. We'll pack label 1, label 2, L2. Under F2 that is frame 2, text will write Pythonese and font will take Arial size 24 bold. We'll pack L2. So let's try running this. This is the output. Tkinter frames on the left side and Pythonese on the top side in blue color. So let's try adding another frame in this one. We'll just copy this. We'll change F3 here because we are creating a new frame, that is our frame 3. And let's take the background color as black this time and along y axis because we'll take it on the right side this time. Let's create another label for this for frame 3. L3, that is our label 3 under our frame 3, and we'll write the text as subscribe our YouTube channel. And guys, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So we'll try running this. And here's the output. Tkinter frames on the left side in gray color background. Python is on the top with blue color background, and subscribe our YouTube channel on the right side, that is along the y axis with black color background. So that's all for today. Thank you.